said, Dad, can I please go and learn kapa haka? I know nothing about kapa haka. Can I please go and learn? And so I went across with Pete and learned with Pete. And then afterwards he says to me, you go home and you teach to put, I don't know how to teach, I know nothing. Yes you do, you've had 21 years with me. You know enough to put a team together. And that's how we started our first team here. How beautiful that was. You know, one, we could all sing in the rōpū, but no one had the high voice. And that was my skill. Might have been little, but I could sing a high note that could be heard amongst a group of 40. You know, the high note could be heard. And so Pete, now come on, stay with us and learn. And then he said, go home and teach. I know nothing. You know enough to teach te puru o tāmaki. I can't compose, I don't know music, I don't know nothing. I'll give you your first song. Then after that, it's yours. Okay, so what was the song? E ngā iwi, e ngā iwi, waiata. E ngā hapu, e mihi atu nei. Mama tau koutou e tau tokona. Te puru o tāmaki Mama tau koutou e tau toko. And so it went on. We know where to stop. A very beautiful, a very positive memory. I remember talking to Mum and Pop, especially to Mum. I said, Ma, can I please learn from you all that I need to know? One, I looked around the street. No one had te reo anake. I said, only Bats and Little Nan, and they would only speak to kaumātua in te reo. Otherwise, it was all English. So I said, one, he moimoia I roto I aho, ne. What is it that I can hold from you? All the songs that you have learnt in your generation and in your time, I want to learn from you so that I can pass it on. One, to my whānau first, and then to the iwi, whānau first. Ne. So I used to go to Little Nan and Fat Nan. Little Nan was an expert kit weaver, and I would sit on the floor and listen to their songs and catch their songs, English and Māori. I know you will remember. And away they would go. And I would store it up in my memory banks, not realizing that my husband would not be around forever with me. And so I had to capture these memories of songs to pass on to a wonderful whānau that God gave me. Beautiful, strong, young Ngāti Whātua men who are proud and hold the knowledge within them. The generations that they have come from, the tupuna that they are bred from here in Ngāti Whātua stand strong inside them. And how wonderfully blessed the world is because of them. So tēnā koutou katoa. E kore aha, e mutu e kore aha, e romo mate tō tinana me pehe
mutu e, me pehara e rongo e, mate tō tinana e. What am I to do, my love, when we two are far apart? Precious memories forevermore. E kore a hau e mutu e, e kore a hau e rongo e, mate tō tinana e. Mate tō tinana e.
Tēnā koutou katoa.
That's a special song. A song that Nan and her, my grandfather would sing
Yeah.
together.
Yeah. And we used to always finish all of our gigs with that song. Everything.